was kind of like baking a cookie, and I'm not sure that Michael and I followed it, but I don't know if it's more like a Chips Ahoy chocolate chip or whether it's like a Nutter Butter or Mike's Oreo, but it's been a pretty good track so far.
Crispy like a Frisbee.
The production group is totally hosing me. No, that's burnt. That's burnt.
Yeah.
And then you have your regular chocolate chip, which is normal. I like it more on the Fig Newton side, which would be a muddier racetrack. Gooier. And so we're going to have cookies here next week, I promise.
Well, the track's been pretty racy. We've seen good stuff on the top and the bottom and even in the middle occasionally.
And now we got everything all mixed up because the guy that's led every lap is going to restart outside the top 10, and he'll try to take advantage of that dirt. But, man, that's going to be fun to watch.